Virtual codes, e-payments, portal of court fee, fine, civil deposit, etc. by Mr. Raju Chaudhary.
Virtual code. You have to visit. You have to visit the vcodes.gov.in. You have to visit the vcodes.gov.in. Then you have to select your state. Our state is Assam. We have to select our state Assam, and we have to proceed. Then search menu will occur, and in that search menu, we can search by our mobile number. We have to enter our mobile number, and then we have to insert CAPTCHA, and we have to submit. Then search by Salan number. Go to the Salan and vehicle number tab and enter details. We have to insert our Salan number. Then we have to submit CAPTCHA and submit it. Then in next slide, view case details. We can view the case details by entering Salan number or vehicle number. We have to insert the vehicle number, then CAPTCHA and submit. We have to then the case will occur. Case details will occur. Then we have to verify the OTP and click on checkbox. I agree to the terms and conditions. I have understand the contents of special summons. Then click on accept and pay button. Connecting to payment gateway. Then bank page. Bank payment page will occur. Then bank payment page will occur. Then we can pay by our debit card. We have to insert the debit card number. Then we have to insert the expiry date, month, year, and CBC number. Then the card holder number. Then we have to click the pay now button. The acknowledgement receipt will be there. Then we can print this receipt for future use. Then e-payment section. E-codes digital payment. We have to visit the website https://pay.ecodes.gov.in. In that page, we will find 4 options: the court fee, judicial deposit, fine, and penalty. Payment of court fee. Payment of court fee in new case. Payment of court fee in existing case. View previously paid court fee transactions. In new case, you may pay the court fee in clicking the court fee button in this page. In clicking this space, you have to insert your, you have to select state, district, and establishment. Enter the party name, amount of court fee, remarks, mobile number. Select this checkbox for I agree to above terms and conditions. Click on generate OTP and OTP will received on your mobile. Enter OTP within 2 minutes of OTP generation and click on verify button. User can regenerate the OTP after 2 minutes. After verification, GRAS government received accounting system page will be displayed. Select bank for internet banking and click on proceed for payment. GRN number will be generated. Charges for online transaction will be displayed. Click on OK. Will be displayed. Check all details and click on continue. Message will be displayed to verify details. Click OK to continue and cancel to discontinue. Note the GRN number generated for future reference. Click OK. User will be redirected to bank site. After payment, e-Challan will be displayed. Verify the details on e-Challan. User can save, download, and acknowledgement of e-Challan. These e-Challans can be printed by the user. Select any of the multiple options available for making payment. You can select your debit card, internet banking, NEFT. By your debit card, you may pay the payment. Then you have to insert your card number, month, year, CVC number, then card holder number, then make payment. Banking can be chosen for multiple banks.
Ya, malam minggu saya mulai jalan.
Internet banking screen would be displayed in same student. You have to insert username and the password, and then you have to log in. Confirm the payment. In that case, the amount will displayed, currency will be displayed, the date will be displayed, and service charges, the amount in words will be displayed. Again, you have to confirm this page. And enter high security password received on mobile. You have to enter in this page the high security password, which will be found in your mobile. Then confirm it again. Then payment success message would be displayed and again would be redirected to ePay portal. Then transaction successful message would be displayed. E-Challan can be printed out using print acknowledgement option. E-Challan generated. E-Challan can be printed for future use. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chaudhary.